welcome to building your first application. This is going to be a chance to kind of get to know the Visual Studio IDE. It is not the only way to build .NET applications. You can build .NET Core applications using Visual Studio Code. It's a great editor, but it is just a text editor. It's not an integrated development environment. So what we want to do is get to know Visual Studio a little bit by building our first project. And if you got a splash screen, that looks different than where I'm at, you can either enter Visual Studio without code, which is one of the options, or you can go ahead and just create a new project from that screen, and you'll get this same dialog. And I want to show you how these filters up here work. So we're building a C# application. We're going to build it for Windows, and we want a console app. And so we have two options. We can use the .NET Core, or we can use the .NET Framework version. We're going to stick with the .NET Core. Click Next here. And so what we're going to do is, I have a C# Fundamentals folder under my base repos folder here. And so that's what we're going to use, is that folder right there. And we're just going to call this My First App, okay? And click Create. That's going to scaffold the project out and get it loaded into the environment. Here you see the solution itself, which can house multiple projects. Here you see the project we created here. And at this point, it's obviously an empty project or an empty application. But in the next video, we will actually begin to flesh out this application and build a Hello C# application. You're going to write your first code, build your first application.